Hello! If you are here to check out what we created during the course, this is a sneak peek of what we created during it, especially the level. We made a lot of effort in teaching all the tools, or, well, the most important ones, to get started. And regarding the gameplay, we used one of the templates that Unreal provides, but we added some gameplay elements to it. But if you're here because you have finished the course, congratulations! You have finished the course. And you may realize that this is just the starting point. But I bet it was fun. And now it's up to you what you want to learn next. What I recommend you to do is to start thinking, where did you have the most fun? Was it programming? Was it changing things on the materials? Maybe it was creating the level. It really is up to you. But do look for more tutorials that has the keyword fundamentals or basics, or you can just jump into the documentation and search for some of the quick start guides that Unreal already provides. It's important to master the fundamentals because you don't want to get stuck just relying on tutorials to make anything that you want to create. I just wanted to say again, great job getting through this course. And if it was helpful to you, make sure to share it around. I hope to see you again. But if not, make sure to keep learning.